Bewildered as to what the numbers on the side of your tyres mean? Well, don't stress, it's actually pretty straightforward. Step 1. Dimensions. The most important numbers on a tyre's sidewall are the dimensions. These are what you'll need to be familiar with when it comes time to buy a new set. The first number refers to the tyre's width in millimetres. The second dictates the aspect ratio, or how tall the sidewall is as a percentage of its width, while the R figure denotes the wheel size. Step 2. Load and speed ratings. Now, if you keep tracking along the sidewall, you'll come across a 2 or 3 digit number and a letter. These are your load and speed ratings respectively. In layman's terms, the bigger the number, the more weight each tyre is rated to carry, and the closer the letter is to Z, the faster it can go. So there we have it, an explanation of tyre numbers and what they mean on your car. For more advice, how-tos and reviews, subscribe to our channel and be sure to hit that bell icon.